The U.S. Supreme Court issued its final judgment on the case that overturned Roe v. Wade, which ended a woman's constitutional right to an abortion. Now the clock is ticking here in Texas for enhanced penalties for doctors who perform illegal abortions. Here's Matt Doherty.
Starting on August 25th, someone who performs an abortion could face life in prison, and the Texas Attorney General's office could file a civil lawsuit seeking at least $100,000. Although abortions in Texas were made illegal when the mother's life is not at risk last month, the full change to the state law takes effect in 30 days.
And now states are free, as Texas has exercised its ability to do so, to regulate abortion in basically any way that they see fit.
University of Houston law professor Seth Chandler says the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade allowed Texas to devise its own laws on abortion. Those who perform abortions could face up to life in prison. They could also be subject to civil lawsuits brought by the Texas Attorney General's office, which would seek $100,000 per abortion. Whole Woman's Health, which provided abortion services at 4 Texas clinics until last month, has closed operations in the state but will be providing guidance for those seeking procedures. They sent us this statement, which reads in part, quote, "We will do all we can to ensure Texans still get the care they deserve by operating our clinics and our virtual care programs in states like New Mexico, Illinois, Minnesota, Virginia, and Maryland." Although the Texas trigger law will bring harsher penalties, only local district attorneys can file criminal charges. Anti-abortion rights advocates say DAs may choose not to prosecute those who perform abortions.
We cannot rely on local politicians to enforce our laws. We need to make sure that we have every tool possible that if an abortionist illegally kills a preborn child, that they will be held accountable for that death.
Texas Right to Life wants to see the legislation go further. The group is trying to persuade Texas politicians to pass a bill that would give Texas residents the right to file civil lawsuits. In West Houston, I'm Matt Doherty, KHOU 11 News.